Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am going to introduce you to Beauty Big Bang's newest gel polish collection. Right here they are. So there's 6 different colors. I do have all of them right here, and I already have swatches. I will also do a swatch demonstration for you, as well as showing you, I give you a tutorial on how I created these nails right here. So first let me go ahead and tell you, so here are all 6 colors. And this collection is called, okay, let's see. So they all come in these cute little boxes right here. Okay. And you're going to see that on the box they say mermaid gel polish. Okay. But on their website they are described as the Chameleon Holo Glitters Starry Effect Soak Off UV Gel Nail Polish. That's right. Okay, so and I will have links down in the description bar below to all the items, all the Beauty Big Bang items that you will see on this video here today. And remember that you may apply my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. So let me go ahead and show you what these look like, and I do have them in order here. So these are the swatches that I've already done for you on tips. So here's the first one, and these go best over black. Okay, and like I said, they are a gel polish, so they do require to be cured under an LED or UV lamp. I cure them in 30 seconds. They cure it under my LED lamp. So here's number 1 right here. This is like, so number 1 looks to be like it's a light green, and this is over black, and on this side it's just itself over the white tip, and you can see not much of an effect there. And now we'll also have close-up clips of these, but here's just a, and this one's number 2. Number 2 is yeah, so that it's a purple, but when you get it out of the bottle, let me show you what that looks like. Is this the right one? I don't just see what order do they're supposed to have these in order here. And yes, this is number 2. So that is what number 2 looks like. Totally, it looks very different from all of them outside of the bottle, but until you put them over black, you won't really see what the color is supposed to look like. Here's number 3. Number 3 is a turquoise green. And then number 4 is a beautiful pink purple. Number 5 is a gold, and you see the gold by itself. You can get away by putting that on a nude nail and get some color. And then the last one, number 6, is a blue, beautiful blue. And so these are shimmers, and the ones that I put on my nails I use 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then they also have, with this collection, they have a no wipe top coat. That is this one right here in the middle, the no wipe top coat. They also have a base coat, and I was happy to see that they came up with a matte top coat as well. And yes, I went ahead now, of course, these nails, because these are swatches, I have them over my Beauty Big Bang latex, but I did go ahead and I have these 2 nails. Let's see if I can get my fingers out of the way. Okay, so I have these 2 with the glossy top coat, no wipe top coat, which was great for applying these nail I went ahead and used the Beauty Big Bangs. These I did a review for these, the seashells in silver. And then these 2 nails right here, my pinky and my middle nail, I just used the matte top coat. And like I said, you will see clips of me applying these, and you'll see how well they work. But yes, beautiful, beautiful colors. I really do recommend these if you're for a fun collection. Gorgeous shimmer finish right there, as you can see. So let me go ahead and, so okay, as far as my experience with these are the 6 colors. You can, if you lose the box, get rid of the box or whatever, turn them over, you'll have your labels right here, the little stickers, 1 through 6, which is perfect. Now I will tell you, and this is a little bit of a feedback for Beauty Big Bang, I will ask them to please label the bottles of the gel, of the base coat, top coat, and both top coats, okay? Because I turned these over, and this one, I don't want to use the box. This is the matte top coat. And there's nothing on the bottle that it says what it is, whether it's a color or base or top, until you open it. And now, I don't know if the camera is going to reflect this, but this matte top coat does, when you look at the liquid, it does seem to have somewhat of a, and you can probably tell from the rim of the bottle, like it's not completely clear, okay? Like it has somewhat of a foggy look to it. Now let me go ahead and take out the No Wipe top coat out of the box. This is the glossy one, and this one is also labeled 001. Nothing else on the bottle letting you know that is a top coat and that is a glossy top coat, but here hopefully you can tell the difference compared to the matte top coat. It is completely clear, okay? So these two, you won't know the difference on the bottles, what they are, until you open them. Then the base coat, this one, okay, see, it just says 001 as well. So between the base coat and glossy top coat, you won't be able to tell the difference, other than maybe the base coat appears to be slightly a lighter formula, okay? But yes, that would be my advice to Beauty Beckman, is to please come up with some kind of label on these, so we will know from looking at the bottles whether they're base coats, top coats, and whether they're matte or glossy. But very good formulas, and everything cured in 30 seconds. Okay, so, and if you guys have questions about these, please leave them below. I'll be happy to answer. I will go ahead and leave you with some clips and some close-ups of everything here, and I will go ahead and meet you at the end. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here's the final result, and there you saw how I did a demonstration on the application of these polishes. Beautiful. I mean, I did only one coat for each color when I did over my nails. You start out with your black gel, your black base, and then I only did one coat for each one of these on these nails. And yeah, check them out. I'm in the effect, and I really liked, I had to put that matte top coat to test. So that's, you see the effect here. And I will have also photos so you can see where I had them all glossy. And this matte top coat comes out matte straight out of the lamp, and that is awesome. This is now only my second one that does that. Usually there was an old one that I had that all it did, it came out glossy out of the lamp, and then you had to wipe the tacky top coat. So none of these top coats have a tacky layer, and that is awesome, especially when you apply gems like this over your nails. You don't want to have to wipe anything off. So there you guys have it. Gorgeous polishes. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these beautiful polishes to play with and review. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them below. I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys liked my video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.